Join me as I dive into the challenge of navigating the changes coming to medical debt on credit reports starting March 17, 2025. On March 17, 2025, a major shift is taking place in the world of credit reporting. For the first time, medical debt will no longer have an impact on credit reports, and this change is a significant win for consumers. Medical debt has long been a major source of stress and anxiety for individuals and families. The burden of unexpected medical expenses can quickly add up, leaving people feeling overwhelmed and unsure of how to manage their finances. This debt can also create significant barriers to accessing loans or housing, making it even harder for people to get back on their feet. For many, medical debt has become a constant source of worry, making it difficult to plan for the future or make ends meet. The weight of this debt can be crushing, affecting not only financial stability but also mental and emotional well-being. The fear of debt collectors, the anxiety of not knowing how to pay, and the shame of not being able to afford medical care can be debilitating. The impact of medical debt goes beyond just the individual too. It can also affect entire families, causing tension and strain on relationships. The ripple effects of medical debt are far-reaching, and it's an issue that desperately needed a solution. In recent years, lawmakers have been working to address this problem, and finally, their efforts have paid off. The new legislation marks a significant shift in how medical debt is treated, and it's expected to have a major impact on consumers and the healthcare system as a whole. So, what exactly does this new legislation entail? For starters, it means that medical debt will no longer be reported on credit reports, giving consumers a fresh start and a chance to rebuild their credit. This change is expected to have a major impact on credit scores, making it easier for people to access loans and other financial opportunities. The legislation also marks a move towards a more compassionate approach to healthcare, recognizing that medical debt is often a result of circumstances beyond an individual's control. By removing the burden of medical debt from credit reports, lawmakers are sending a message that healthcare should be a right, not a privilege. Of course, this change wouldn't have been possible without the tireless efforts of advocates and lawmakers who have been fighting for this reform for years. Their dedication to creating a more just and equitable financial system is truly admirable, and this change is a testament to the power of their work. I'd like to take a moment to share some personal stories from individuals who have struggled with medical debt. These stories are a powerful reminder of the human impact of this issue and the importance of this change. One individual, Sarah, shared with me her experience of being diagnosed with a chronic illness and accumulating tens of thousands of dollars in medical debt. Despite working multiple jobs, she was unable to keep up with the payments, and her credit score suffered as a result. For years, she felt trapped and ashamed, unsure of how to escape the debt cycle. Another individual, John, told me about his experience of being hit with a surprise medical bill after a hospital stay. Despite having insurance, he was left with a massive bill that he couldn't afford to pay. The stress of debt collectors and the fear of bankruptcy were constant companions, affecting his relationships and overall well-being. Stories like these are all too common, and they highlight the urgent need for change. Thankfully, that change is finally here, and it's a testament to the power of advocacy and determination. So, what does this change mean for you? Simply put, it means that medical debt will no longer hold you back from achieving your financial goals. It means that you'll have a fresh start, a chance to rebuild your credit, and an opportunity to take control of your financial future. Before I go, I want to hear from you. How do you think this change will affect you? Have you struggled with medical debt in the past? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on financial news. Thanks for watching.